If you're like me, sometimes you just can't stop thinking about Braze ideas. On the train,
Canvas,
in the car,
custom attribute,
in your dreams.
no, don't unsubscribe, no.
But then sometimes other thoughts creep in like,
How can I be as cool as all those kids I see live streaming online?
then it hit me. Combine the two. The obvious first step was to sit down at my computer and type, how to live stream into Google. Turns out if I want to live stream in Braze, I need to download free software called OBS so I can send video from my computer to a live stream platform.
Okay, I've downloaded OBS and gone through a pretty simple setup wizard, and I've created what they call a scene where I can add my webcam and my microphone so you can see me in OBS. Check it out. Hello me!
Turns out you can add more than one scene, so I made a couple more because this program's actually really powerful. Next up was finding a live stream platform. Now this part was a little easier because I know all the cool kids live stream on Twitch and I did not want to be a cool kid. So I signed up to Twitch and tried to make things look legit, and then I had to put my Twitch details into OBS so they were somehow magically connected.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure I've connected everything correctly between OBS and Twitch, and I'm about to hit start stream for the first time, and let's see what happens. All right, here we are. Start streaming. 3, 2, 1, and I'm hoping to see something over here in a minute. Well, that's not good.
3 hours later.
We want it to appear here, and I'm over here. We're going to hit start streaming. 3, 2, 1. We are streaming. Step 1, done. Well, step 2, 4. It's pretty much step C by this point. And just to be sure, I'm going to full screen this and see. Ah, beautiful. Look, my giant mug.
At this point, I'm basically a cool kid. But not only did I have 0 viewers, I still wasn't live streaming in Braze. Now this is where it got a little bit tricky because in order to live stream in Braze, I needed to put my live stream inside a Braze in-app message. But I had a plan, which mostly involved me typing things into Google. Turns out Twitch has really awesome documentation about embedding live streams into websites. And an in-app message is essentially just a teeny tiny website, I guess. Okay, so I just discovered a really cool thing about embedding video inside a HTML document, such as an in-app message. You can use the thing called an iframe, which stands for inline frame. Turns out iframes mean you can put one HTML document, such as a video, inside another HTML document, such as your in-app message, and users can still interact with both. I copy and pasted the iframe code examples from the Twitch docs, put them into an in-app message I had pre-made in Braze, and started on the valiant journey to get it to work. I had a feeling iframes could be the key that I was looking for. My iframe map to buried Braze live streaming treasure, buried deep in ancient marketing temples where no soul had been before.
Okay, so it turns out this is not as straightforward as I thought. I can get live streaming iframes to work on a normal web page, but when I'm in Braze, I can't even see a preview, so I don't actually know if it's working when I'm in there, so I have to trigger it inside the app to even tell if what I'm doing is working at this point. Yeah, this is no longer an ancient marketing temple. This is starting to feel more like a marketing hamster wheel at this point. But there's 2 of me, so that's cool.
But just as I was beginning to think I would never live stream in Braze or fulfill my dream of becoming the Indiana Jones of marketing, the marketing temple doors started to open.
I have my video here. That's not suspicious at all. I have me here, over here on OBS, and I'm here on Twitch. And now I'm going to export this, which should trigger this live stream in the card. And you should see me in 3 places. Okay, we have a card. We have a card. Yes, yes! Yes, we've done it! Look, I'm here, and I'm here, and I'm here, and I'm delayed in all of them, but look, I'm there. I'm there. Does that mean, oh, it's fully Twitch. I can full screen it. It's delayed, but I'm literally live streaming inside. We've done it. We've done it, people. It's a team effort. We've done it. Unreal. Give it a closer look. I am here, and you are here now, and we are here, and we are here. Monumental. Monumental. There is an ancient marketing temple, and we have reached it. We've broken inside. We have found gold. You can probably tell that I'm feeling weirdly relieved right now. That was was quite an effort.